Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download and install Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to download and install Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Microsoft Store menu to download Microsoft Teams. This is the Microsoft Store display. In the search, type Microsoft Teams. Well, here several appear. Select Microsoft Teams. Here you will enter this menu. Tap, here there is an install button. And tap. Well, here the process of downloading Microsoft Teams and installing it at the same time. Make sure the network on your computer or laptop is stable, because it affects the process. Microsoft Teams is an application for chat, video calls, online meetings, and file sharing that is integrated with Microsoft 365. So that's it, the tutorial on how to download and install Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.